Picture this. It's late. You're staring at your screen trying to report a power outage, or maybe you're rushing to pay a utility bill before a late fee hits. But you hit a brick wall. You don't know your BGE account number, and without it, you absolutely cannot log in or make a quick payment. It's this sudden, incredibly relatable moment of total panic.
So you're probably asking yourself, where exactly is my BGE account number? Look, it's a common and super frustrating roadblock for so many customers who just want to get things done and move on with their day. Welcome to this explainer. We're going to completely demystify this process for you so you never get locked out of your digital energy management again. All right, let's dive right in. The magic number you're looking for is exactly 10 digits long. This specific 10-digit string is literally the master key to your entire utility ecosystem. Fun fact, it's actually a technical design choice that matches the enterprise resource planning systems maintained by BGE's parent company, Exelon Corporation. Bottom line, without it, the digital doors to your utility data stay firmly shut.
Here is our agenda for today's explainer. Why you need it, finding your account number, troubleshooting common issues, managing your BGE account, and conclusion and next steps.
Section 1, Why you need it. Critical scenarios.
Now, you might think you only need this number once, right, just to set things up, but it's actually required for several critical everyday scenarios. You definitely need it to register a new online profile in the first place. You also need it if you want to pay a bill quickly using the one-time guest pay tool without logging in. Plus, you need it to start, stop, or move your service to a new address, and of course, to access your detailed billing history. Basically, without this number, establishing an authenticated profile is mathematically impossible.
Section 2, Finding your account number, retrieval pathways.
So the crucial point here is understanding your starting line. Are you locked out completely, which is what we call the unauthenticated pathway? Or do you just need to know where to look inside an active account, which is the authenticated pathway? Don't worry, we're going to cover both.
Let's start with the unauthenticated pathway. If you don't have a login and you've totally misplaced your paper bills, BGE provides a really handy secure account lookup tool. You can find this strictly on their official secure domain at secure.bge.com. And hey, it is absolutely vital to always ensure you're using BGE's official channels just to protect your personal data.
This tool brilliantly illustrates a two-factor security screen. It's designed to protect your data from unauthorized scraping while still letting you retrieve your account ID without actually logging in. First, you just enter the 10-character primary phone number registered to your account. Second, you pop in the last 4 digits of your social security number, your tax ID, or your custom BGE PIN. If those two database records match, boom, the portal instantly displays your 10-digit account ID.
Now let's talk about the authenticated pathway.
What's really interesting is how incredibly easy it is to find your number if you're already registered for an online profile. Once you're securely logged into your BGE.com dashboard or the mobile app, that 10-digit master key is integrated everywhere. You'll spot it right there in the main account profile header. If you click on your billing history, it's printed crystal clearly in the upper right corner of any downloadable PDF billing statement. And if you're more of a smartphone person, it sits right at the very top of the BGE mobile app home screen.
Section 3. Troubleshooting common issues. Overcoming tech hurdles.
Okay, technology isn't perfect, right? Sometimes when using the account lookup tool, you might get hit with a frustrating generic failure screen. 9 times out of 10, this is just a local issue with your computer. The standard troubleshooting protocols here are super simple. Make sure you enable JavaScript and allow cookies. If the site is still looping or throwing errors, clear your browser cache and cookies, or simply try opening an entirely different web browser. Easy fix.
If your only problem is that you just forgot your password, don't panic. Just use the credential retrieval link on the login page. Hey, it happens to the absolute best of us. And as a true last resort, if the digital tools just aren't cooperating at all, it might be time to bravely hunt through your filing cabinet for a legacy paper bill. That 10-digit number is systematically printed right there on the top right corner.
Section 4, Managing your BGE account, Maximize digital tools. Once you've got your number and you're inside the My Account portal, you have this incredible timeline of historical data right at your fingertips. You can view your current detailed consumption metrics to see exactly what uses the most energy in your home. You can look over a 12-month period to actually analyze how weather impacts your energy costs. And for budgeting or tax time, you can download complete, exact replica PDF billing statements dating back a full 24 months. It's a goldmine of info.
And while you're in there, you can easily activate some really powerful account features. I highly suggest looking into AutoPay. It handles fee-free automated withdrawals directly from your checking account, so you literally never miss a payment. There's also budget billing to help smooth out those crazy seasonal pricing spikes. And if you haven't yet, grab the BGE mobile app for iOS or Android.
It even supports quick biometric logins using your fingerprint or face scan. Just a quick note on best practices here. Always practice good security hygiene. Watch out for phishing scams and imposters. BGE will absolutely never demand immediate payment via prepaid gift cards. Keep your email and phone details strictly up to date in the portal so you receive critical service alerts. Also, if you ever suspect fraud, you can securely report energy theft directly through the customer support portal.
Section 5. Conclusion and next steps. Take action today.
All right, here's your checklist to take action. 1. Locate your 10-digit number today. Even if you don't need it right this second, it's a huge relief to have it on hand. 2. Securely register for your My Account online or download the mobile app. And 3. Set up your secure payment options like AutoPay. Taking these simple steps today absolutely prevents major headaches tomorrow. Now, before we wrap up, please remember that this explainer is strictly for informational purposes. Procedures and portal designs can and do update, so you should always consult BGE directly for the most current procedures and official support.
And if you do need to speak to a real person, whether for a payment arrangement or, heaven forbid, an emergency, here are the official BGE support lines you should probably save in your phone right now. For general support, dial 1-800-685-0123. If you see down lines or have a power outage, call 1-877-778-2222. And for a gas emergency, leave the area immediately and dial 1-877-778-7798.
I'll leave you with this final thought. Are you maximizing your digital utility tools? Or are you just logging in to blindly pay the bill? Taking full control of your secure digital energy management starts with knowing that 10-digit master key. Once you have it, a whole world of data and control really opens up. I highly encourage you to go explore your account today. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Stay curious, consider subscribing for more utility management guides, and I'll see you next time.